Hi there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to find your BitLocker recovery key in your Microsoft account. Start by opening the browser on your computer and do a Google search for Microsoft Account Login. The best result should be the Microsoft Account Sign-In page. Click on that. Alternatively, you can go directly to account.microsoft.com. Next, click on this Sign-In button here. Now you need to enter your Microsoft account email address and password. Mine is already saved here, so I'll just click on it. You might need to provide your PIN as well, like I have to do here. Once you're logged into your Microsoft account, find the BitLocker encrypted computer on the list of devices. Now you need to click on this See Details button here. On this next page here, you'll have this BitLocker Data Protection tab. Here you need to click on Manage Recovery Keys. Once again, you might be prompted to log in again or verify your identity. So go ahead and complete that process. On the next page, you'll have access to the BitLocker recovery keys for that specific computer. You can also select the key, then right-click and click on Print to print it out or save it as a PDF file. Now you can go ahead and enter this recovery key on the BitLocker encrypted computer, and it will unlock the drive. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.